You're on.
Hey, good everybody. I'm Kristen here at Bits and Pieces Quilt Shop at 70 Bridge Street in Pelham, New Hampshire. We are here on Friday afternoon. It's 5 o'clock-ish. So we just kind of, Fridays we're showing you something we like. So it's Friday favorites. So here we are. We have talking about the stripping ruler. So stripping with Kristen. And we got the strip tube ruler. And that is the strip tube ruler. And to make this project, all you need is the ruler and some 2.5-inch strips.
Are you stripping it for them?
So easy. I'm stripping it. They were driving me crazy. This one is too, so that's gone. That was all for your benefit, guys. So, can't say we don't try, right? So there's that. So all you need is a couple of strips to do this. This ruler is so fun. So, that's what the ruler looks like. You have all your markings. You have your 1, 2, 3.5, and then your 1/2-inch markings, and you have your horizontal lines. So we have all of that stuff. Good thing we left this one wrapped because you can actually see everything.
Yeah.
And on the back, it doesn't have a QR. No math on this, guys. So the quilt behind me is called, I forget.
Just Too Easy.
Just Too Easy. And this is, you can do this scrappy, and you can do this matchy-matchy. So if you're a scrappy, happy girl, you can do it that way. If you like to match and you can't stand the scrappy thing, then you can do it however you want. So this is we do not have this fabric. This is an old sample that Liz pulled out of her hat this afternoon.
That's my favorite quilt.
It can tell.
It needs to be washed.
It's actually bound, too, which
it
is
bound.
my biggest thing. So there's the telltale sign. So this is the block that we're going to be looking at. And all it is strips sewn together lengthwise and then into a tube.
You're going to show them that, aren't you?
So we are. So, again, like I said, you don't need anything else besides the ruler and some strips. But they do have all kinds. So if you buy this ruler and you say, okay, well, I made that 1,000 times, they has books and there's a whole bunch of other patterns. So you're not going to be stuck with a ruler that just does this quilt or this pattern. So all kinds of extra stuff you can do with that. But it goes together so quick and easy because all you have to do is you're going to take 2 strips. And again, you can do matchy-matchy or you can do not matchy-matchy, whatever makes your boat, whatever floats your boat. Just take your 2 strips. You're going to sew them together lengthwise. You're going to take 2 more strips. And you're going to sew those in 1/4-inch seam allowance on that edge all the way down. And you're going to get 2 sets of strips. So now you can take these and you can put them together face to face, and you can put those colors in opposite directions if they're the same or if you're matchy. And you're going to sew 1/4-inch lengthwise, and again, lining everything up. It's going to sew 1/4-inch lengthwise. So then you have the tube. So once you sew everything together, you get a little sleeve that my hand barely fits in. So now you have your strip sets sewn together, and then you're just taking your ruler and you're going to put this.
So depending on the size block.
Yep.
Right? So if you look in the book or on the ruler.
The ruler has.
To make the Daniela block.
I kind of goofed and ironed it because it was a little wrinkled and I kind of made it a mess. But, so this is the Daniela block. And so basically, it's going to tell you
make a 6-inch block.
You're going to make a 6-inch block. So you want to line up your ruler on
the sewn line. On the sewing line,
yep,
you're going to put the 6-inch line
on the stitch line.
Yep.
And you're going to cut a triangle. I could have demonstrated my ambidextrous moves here, but
you could.
That's okay.
And what you
get is a triangle that looks like that. And then you open them up and you get blocks. And you can arrange them all kind of circly-workly.
I showed the other one. So this is matchy-matchy.
Circly-workly. And you have ones that's not so matchy-matchy. Or you can be totally random and not even have the same strips. Like you can just...
Well, what are those? Open those up.
These ones are... There are only 3 of these, so I'm not sure what happened to the 4th.
Well,
But you could totally just go ahead and put those together like that. Or you can totally put them together and they would go together like that. So you can either have 2, you know, they could have the same colors or something.
so these are, here, pull that down. So these ones, yeah. So if you want to put on this, put all of the blue together. So
Yep.
finish putting the blue together, Kristen, and the other blue. So see how you get the look at how
Changes
striking
the
that
whole
is.
look.
Changes the whole look, yeah. Or you could flip this and put all the greens together, right? Like this,
Yep.
like that, and like
She's a camera person and a
look at that, and you get a totally different look. Or all different.
you
Scrappy,
can do
scrappy.
this way and this way, and you get them like the blocks on the quilt.
And if you look at that, because I'm far away, you see some spools in there, don't you? It almost looks like
Yep.
spools of thread, right?
Definitely.
The 2 red ones anyway, and there's some gray ones.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Isn't that cool? Yeah.
Definitely.
Shelly likes that, and Ginny says, "Good evening, ladies." Yeah.
Good evening. Ginny, I hope you got your project going. She was in today.
Oh, I
Anyone
missed
else
her.
on?
Karina, you're watching. Very cute.
Hey, Karina, are you coming home this weekend?
She's coming home Sunday.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah,
The
she'll be
place
back
is
for
falling
Monday.
apart
No,
without you.
she'll needs a vacation from her vacation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No vacations. No more vacations for you, Karina.
Yeah.
No more. So
if you got a lot of jelly rolls sitting at home, we have a collection of those.
jelly rolls in my sewing room that I need to find projects for.
Love the colors. I love the colors too. This is painted patchwork, which we still have some of these, I think, don't we?
I think so.
I think we
have
still
some of
do.
those.
If you're interested in, purchasing any of these, they're on the website. And this is the painted patchwork line. The one back there is an old motor line. I don't know how old that is. Long time ago. Maybe 2007 or 8 or something. So I don't think you'll find that. I think that's the Three Sisters line.
not.
Yeah.
Yep.
But I think it's really nice in the bright colors.
I like it. I'm gonna have to make one of these. I think I have the ruler at home, so I'm gonna go check. And I don't think I've ever made it, so I think I'm gonna make sure I make a point because I have a bazillion jelly rolls that
We'll make one, and we'll do strip tubing with Kristen on a live selling event.
There we go. Maybe
With some
we'll
discounted jelly rolls, and stay tuned for that. And we'll show you some samples.
Great time.
It looks really good in Christmas colors too.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah.
That would be awesome. You can do this in anything. You can do it in St. Patrick's Day colors, Easter colors, Valentine colors, any color you want. Summer
One for
colors.
every season.
Yep. Summer colors, winter colors. I put all my spring quilts up this week. So,
Oh, nice. And it's going to snow
and
tomorrow.
it's going to snow tomorrow. Probably why. Sorry, guys. That's my fault.
Yeah. It's going to snow tomorrow.
Oh,
6 to 12 inches up north. We're only going to get a couple. We're going to get rain.
It's going to turn to rain, right?
Yeah.
It's like only
Yeah.
very north.
Mhm.
So,
Yeah.
boy, that's all right. More time to sew, right? That's okay. So, yeah, but that's what we got for you today. Any questions? Anyone want, how many do we have these in stock, Liz?
And we have a lot of them in stock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we have the strip tube ruler book.
Yeah.
Strip tubing, sorry. So this is fun. This is good to have. I'm going to have to check and see if that's in my little library. And there are individual patterns that also go along with this. So this is definitely something that I'm going to check out. I have to take a picture and make sure I have everything because this is going to be fun. I think I say this and then I'm going to do it.
That's all right. You can check it out.
I'm going to do it. And I'm definitely going to play with some jelly rolls. So that'll be fun. All right. Well, it's Friday. Let's see. Anything we want to tell everyone there, Liz?
No, come watch us on Sunday.
watch us
Come
Sunday
shop
night.
tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely. Come
Shop in the store tomorrow, even though it's
Saturday.
going to be rainy. Come shop.
Yep, nothing good to do. Shop away, shop away.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there we go. So we're going to sign off. I'm going to go finish up and go on home in a little while and have some pizza and a big old glass of wine. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you on Monday morning. Well, you'll see us here Sunday night with Comments Sold with Heather and Nicole at 6:16, and then I'll see you here Monday for coffee time. Bye.